Back to the channel, y'all. Today we're gonna be doing a review of the marketside white meat chicken bacon ranch sub from Walmart. Alright, show you guys what it look like right here. Put it in the toaster for about 5 or 6 minutes. Get the bread nice and toasted. Alright, this is like, what is that, $3-4? That's what it look like. Let's go and bite into it, see what they're working with. Alright, so let's hit it. That's good. Real good. I think it's better than the steak. This is real good. Cheese is sharp, as you can see. This is actually better than the steak to me. Show you guys what it look like on the inside. It's loaded pretty much with chicken. The cheese is sharp. I guess it's like ranch. Cheese ranch. Oh yeah, this is good once you put it in a toaster oven. Like I said, it tastes better than the steak to me. Even though the steak is good, but this is better. With the sharpness of the cheese and everything that's here. It's amazing right here. It's good. The chicken is good. The bread is good. Everything is good. On a scale of 1 through 5, I rate this 5 out of 5. It's good. As good as any other sub you're going to get out there. It's real good, guys. Y'all go to Walmart and get us a try. It's only like, I want to say like $3 and some change, something like that. But I recommend y'all give it a try. It's delicious. Marketside. Alright. So I hope you guys enjoy. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. If you're into sharp cheese, get us a try. I taste the bacon flavor really good in here, because this is a bacon ranch. Chicken bacon ranch. So you do get the bacon flavor. It's really good. The chicken is real good. Yeah. Go to Walmart. Give it a try. Till next time, I'm out of here. Peace.